Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2. And I did make the text all bold so that it would cut out better. I realized in the last email, or when the last question, she was going to make a Christmas ornament. So I'm going to nudge this thing in a way, this circle, and move it out of the way. And I'm going to grab all the text, and I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to go to object and convert it to a curve. Then I'm going to bring my circle back in which I can just hit P. Then I'm going to hold down, I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to hold down the shift key, and it'll make my circle grow from the inside out, and we just need a little bit. Now I'm going to make a duplicate of that circle, Control D, and I'm going to bring it in, but I'm going to nudge that one out of the way. Then I'm going to take all this and I'm going to weld it. And then I'm going to hit P, put my circle back in there, and I'm going to smart fill it to show you what it would look like cut out. And I'm hoping that's what she was after. And that would work with any text evenly spaced out. Thank you for watching.